You use this. Film me.
Alright.
So basically,
Black mouth. What boy? See white here too. This is herbal mud. You have to talk, you know, Randy.
yeah?
He's not the talker.
No problem.
Oh. JGL crew, big up.
Back home.
Yeah,
It's always about
big up.
See, show this time.
See? We want to make it better, you know? We soon make it better and put it in a glass house. Give it light. Make it come alive.
Give it light and light.
Yes.
People, this is Jamaica Good Life. This is me and Denny. Hold on, Denny. Hold this for me. And me and Denny started, you know. And me and Denny, I go cycle it, we don't say finish. Because there's no finish. Even though I say start, it's a cycle. So you hear me say? And me and Denny, part of the cycle. This whole movement is part of a cycle.
Yes.
It's a relay. There's a stupid statement that says the race is not for the swift, but for those who can endure it.
Yes.
God didn't intend us to race, it's a cycle. It's a relay. Infinite relay. The ancestors, which is life itself, can never be done. So life itself is a relay.
Yeah.
So it's not a race. Does ants race against each other?
No.
Does butterfly race against each other?
No.
So why are we racing? So then when we start racing, we start be crabbing at the race. And kick you down. That never intends. So it's not a race to endure. It's a relay to endure. So we're going to change and balance certain words. So me and you depend on a relay. So me pass it on to you. And you pass it on to you, and you and you and you. So you don't have no feelings and me and you compete.
Yes.
When we run
Even
in,
if we are compete at the same team.
when we it's one team called
Yes.
life, called
Yes.
all.
Yes.
It's not the almighty. You see? So when we get rid of that competition and get rid of building strength, when we're running beside each other to see who has a strong muscle, it's just for that purpose. It's not to win. We don't win anything here. So when you get the medal, is to say, we're gonna pass it to this one to reach the top. This is the medal represent. We have to redefine what the medal represents.
Yes.
We're gonna make sure this one.
We have to create the medal.
Yes. So basically, when people are compete, it defeats the human infinite. You so powerful. Why? Remember I said there's a facet. If a man can physically run, I feel it's physically make $1 billion. What else is that man? He's an infinite powerful being. So now you go put him, subject him to a lower farm now, because he never win. He never get rich. He never build a mansion. So he himself has nothing. Because then he set up the thing.
Which are not to be.
Everybody is something infinite.
Yes.
So them set up this race now. So you win a prize, and if you don't get the prize, the money or the house or the medal or the thing, you is nothing. So that's why them set up the race for the human race. So when we stop racing and start building each other's strength to see who can bring the task to the top of the mountain, we won't be jealous of each other. And jealousy is a wicked thing, you know, brother. If Mrs. say you can speak well and you're wise, you're jealous. We come and say, yo, take it and see if you can get it higher. Because we are all human beings.
Yes.
You see me? So if you take it higher, then we see what the human potential is.
Yeah. So it's no race.
It's no race. If me see a man run fast, we rejoice and say, look what him do for we as human beings. We're not going to fight against him. So if we get rid of Jamaica and say, me and you compete for who will have the nicest car.
Who have the nicest
So
house.
what we do with change and balance now, we go to the mountain and build a temple and make it beautiful. and bring a nice little glass chandelier from Coca-Cola back and them say, Randy, look around the man, around the mansion. So me, this is my, all of this is my mansion. And me just need a little hut for sleeping and for come out and see me. My light is the sun. My light is the moon. What me need bulb for? When night come, I can't light a little candle and go sleep. The point is this is not a race. I'm going to have to change dynamics of how people live. And start living nature and make them see how we live and then them start change stuff and come out of the race.
Come out of the vanity.
Come out of it. And if we don't live it, then I'm going to say we're fake. But we're going to live it. I will live it. It's the liberty.
Yeah, the yard.
Alright, cut him. So you see how quickly that was recorded, so you just press the top once. People see it, yeah? The first business together. Let me bring it down, Baba. You hold this.
Yes. Baba can't do flinging.
All them have to do a watch.
All them have to do a watch. Watch
the piggy.
Yeah.
Uncle, I bring the piggy down.
Yes. I step here go. Yeah man, alright, listen. Then you come follow the man over there.
Then come the big carrier. Big carrier. When go see me, them sorry stuff. Sitting here with a big pig every day. When pigs see Randy, when pigs they no play. Them say we are pig carrier. We no sorry for pork. They said Denny in a slippers. We are no joke. Run the panny mic. We no sorry for pork. Hey!
Put them in there, Denny. Put them in the same place.
See that? Yeah. So get the knife on, boss.
Yeah, get the knife now.
Alright, I'm tight.
Denny? Oh yeah, alright, go on. Go for the knife.
Yeah, man. So this thing I saw. You have to build up, so.
Yeah. This is just the start, you know.
Hear what? You want to put a passageway here, so and build another one here, so?
No.
Up, so.
I can show you what I'm going to do.
So Denny experience.
Yeah. Alright, watch me now. Come closer. Oh. Cut your back and just show them, man. Now take out one outside. Just take out the back and roll it. You come out your bag. Oi.
No, I do not have them in here.
Come out your bag.
You see what they get comfortable? And you cut him with the machine.
Come out your bag.
Welcome home, piggies.
Welcome home. Yeah. Acha, I know someone else is down in there.
Welcome home, piggies.
Watch me now. Take up the both people come up and further. Look how she let them at the both people. The red one, or the white one, or other one, the same over there. Before you. Other one there.
One day a piss.
I'm at the
The one we just pissing now.
Other one here. Come on to make his in cutting.
Then you would have pork for dinner. Young pork.
No, we don't want that the young.
In Japan they eat that young, you know?
Yeah, man, some people name them same way. A grizzle meat that now.
Grizzle.
Grizzle meat, you don't have no bone.
Wow.
Give you no problem.
Pig farm. So everything is done. You just need to feed now.
Just feed now.
But you want the man in my searching.
Ah, you see that? I saw you raise pig because what the woman do, him fight the man and the man fight him. So in a no time you find say they breed. By the time they reach 5 months now, the entire breed can have been man side of him.
Man, you see the woman is bigger than him, look on him.
No matter what boy look, he can breed the hog, you know. You know, but another size breed him, you know. Because once he jump him, he breed him.
And what age them supposed to do the act?
5 months.
What them fi do the act?
Yes. As he reach 5 months, he can't start
Are these
breeding.
past 5 months?
No, them are just month old, 2 months old. Within another 3 months now,
They start expand.
they start expand. If you say them get the feed in the right way, by October you see the entire calf brand.
Okay.
So that's where we want to go. We are thinking about having more pigs.
Yes.
So what we are telling you, I go do now. What we are going to do now. You see, hog, enough people now no understand how to raise hog. Hogging that I think we're raising a big pen. Look here, so. If you notice how me make my hog pen, you see how we short?
Yeah.
A hog must go eat and get up and lie down. You know, if you are not walking up and down space.
Okay,
For when hog walking up and down space, he losing weight. You understand?
Got it.
Yeah. Once more I run up and
So you
down.
have a section off.
Yes. So the more he doesn't have my lie down and comfortable. He have weight. Heavy.
Yeah.
Yes. So over this side now, Susie, they want to buy some more pig now over here, so.
Get that board.
So what I'm going to do now, just you see me clean out here, so. Because we didn't consider say, I'm going to take out back 2 from over here. So you see if the entire get too big. Alright, then watch that. Look on that picture. Look how my dig up that already. You see that? You see my dig up the bottom already, you just catch it. Look how. That look one there. Look how in the dig already.
Because that him used to.
Because that he used. So what we have to do with this again, we have to make you take them away from here so and get them up a hill. Because once they get too big, you know, easy if you go up a hill with them again. You know.
Okay.
Yeah, move them. Indeed.
What do you mean?
You have to build the place and move them quick.
Yeah.
This is Jamaica Good Life for you, too?
No.
Yes, sir.
Part of it, man.
And part of it are different.
You go with the influence of your food, go.
That one is-
enough food.
So when people ask me, this program Jamaica Good Life, Randy not do nothing. But me and the girl them Candice, a week up to Sunday.
Yeah.
See King Bubba there in there, so.
Yeah.
I years I do it about 20.
See it then.
And see there, a Jamaica Good Life
Good
tonight.
life.
See there. This is what was done with Team Denny and Team Bubba. A man called me and said, Randy, me need a strong team to build some farming, you know. And that is all the King Denny work, King Bubba work, and Denny. And we're patient. This is what it looks like when a dream come true.
Yes.
When a returning resident has his estate and has his property and building their house, and they have the king to take care of their stuff. That's all Jamaica Good Life people. This is the dream. And since they signed up with our team, they had our team to help them. So when you think about Jamaica Good Life, think Marcus Garvey, think trust, think unity. Better yet, think agenda unity, because the agenda is to come back home, and the agenda is to partner up with people, and the agenda is to build your beautiful home, and the agenda is to build your farm. And with this Jamaica Good Life founder here, Denny, and see the king there. But them things at the show they're done. Hey, the show's just started. Bring your food, Denny.
Bring your food. Bring your food.
Bring it for me too. And the box juice. I'm just loving this, King. So all of this is you and Denny planting. See this? So the man work hard, you know. Oh, other things say me and Baba. A family, you know. Oh, no, watch the past. Now watch the face, you know. Look on the future. This is our dream. To bring home the residents and to we wanted to team up with returning residents. And look what Jamaica could do. King, you earn your title. Nobody, you earn your title. And about how many yams is this?
1,200.
This is 1,200 yams. 1,200. 1,200 yams. When you look at the mountain view. This man bought 8 acres, start building his home, and he called me and said, Randy, I need your team. I says, well, that's gonna cost you. Are you a VIP member? He says, no. I says, okay, you're not a VIP member, and you want to be a part of my network, and you want to take my people's resource, and if anything happens wrong, you want my strength to correct it. And he says, yes. I says, okay. Had a meeting, settled the thing, and he paid into Jamaica Good Life. And look, with my trusted network, this dream is coming through. This is what I envision. Foreigners teaming up with local that gets the job done. That's why I have VIP PP members. This man is a VIP PP member. Wait. People, look at the view. Look at this Appleton Estate. This is the dream, people. This is Jamaica. Sugar cane?